Hello everyone, I am Deepthi Mishra, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today I am going to discuss the ketone bodies in biochemistry. Let's see. So the ketone bodies are metabolic products that are produced in excess during the excessive breakdown of fatty acids. So the ketone bodies are produced from fatty acids. Acetoacetate, acetone and beta-hydroxybutyrate are collectively called ketone bodies. They are the examples of ketone bodies. So only the first two are the true ketone bodies, and the beta-hydroxybutyrate does not possess a keto group. So this is not included in true ketone bodies. So ketone bodies are water soluble and energy yielding. In a normal man, concentration of ketone body in the blood is usually less than 3 mg per 100 ml. Next is significance of ketone bodies. So ketone bodies mainly used in the alternative source of to glucose for energy needs. So ketone body represent an alternative to glucose for a provision of energy to the cell. The second is production of ketone bodies under condition of cellular energy deprivation. So ketone bodies are produced when excessive fatty acids are being oxidized and glucose availability to the cell is limited. Such situations are seen in conditions in some disorders like diabetes mellitus and starvation. Third is utilization of ketone bodies by the brain. So brain is normally utilize the glucose for the energy. All of the ketone bodies cannot completely replace the glucose for the energy needed in the brain, but brain get adapted to oxidized ketone bodies during the prolonged fasting and starvation. Next is ketogenesis. So the process of formation of ketone bodies is called as ketogenesis. Ketone bodies are synthesized only in liver, and synthetic reaction occurs in mitochondria since enzymes are localized in mitochondria. So the reaction, basically ketone bodies formation is HMG coenzyme lyase pathway. So the pathways are, first step is formation of acetoacetyl coenzyme A. So the two molecule of acetyl coenzyme A condensed to form a acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Second step is formation of beta-hydroxymethyl coenzyme A. So acetoacetyl coenzyme A combined with the another molecule of acetyl coenzyme A to produce a beta-hydroxy-beta-methyl coenzyme A. HMG coenzyme A synthetase catalyzing this reaction and regulate the synthesis of ketone bodies. Third step is formation of acetoacetate. So HMG coenzyme lyase cleave the HMG coenzyme to produce the acetoacetate and acetyl coenzyme A. Fourth step is formation of beta-hydroxybutyrate. So acetoacetate can undergo a spontaneous decarboxylation process to form a acetone. So formation of fifth step is formation of acetone. Last, acetoacetate can be reduced by the dehydrogenase to produce the beta-hydroxybutyrate, and that is ketone bodies. Condition for the ketone bodies overproduction. In certain conditions such as during prolonged starvation or impaired glucose oxidation, fat becomes source of energy and its degradation is generally accelerated. In result, excessive production of acetyl coenzyme A, which cannot be fully utilized by the Krebs cycle and therefore is converted to ketone bodies. This is the ketogenesis process. 2-acetyl coenzyme A condensed and form a acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Then acetoacetyl coenzyme A convert in beta-hydroxy-beta-methyl coenzyme A. Then acetoacetate and spontaneous breakdown produce acetone and beta-hydroxybutyrate. This is ketone bodies. Next is utilization of ketone bodies or uses of ketone bodies. So ketone bodies are utilized for energy needs in extrahepatic tissues such as brain, heart, skeletal muscles and kidney. The two ketone bodies, acetoacetate and beta-hydroxybutyrate, is important source for energy for the peripheral tissue, and the tissue which lack mitochondria however cannot utilize the ketone bodies. So during the prolonged starvation, ketone bodies are the major fuel source for the brain another part of CNS. The ketone bodies can meet the 50 to 60% of the brain energy needs. This is the ketone bodies formation drawn. Ketone bodies form by the fatty acid, by the beta oxidation, acetyl coenzyme is formed. Then acetyl coenzyme then goes to citric acid cycle, and some amount of acetyl coenzyme form the ketone bodies, that is acetoacetate, beta hydroxybutyrate and acetone. Then ketone bodies related disorder. So ketosis. So ketosis is a disorder of excessive production of ketone bodies. Just because ketone in excessive production, ketone bodies is also harmful for a body. So causes is excessive ketone bodies are produced mainly in two conditions. First is starvation, or second is uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. So biochemical and clinical findings: ketonemia and ketonuria. This is the form of ketosis. So first is ketonemia. In ketosis, the plasma concentration of ketone bodies as well above normal limits. The condition was called ketonemia. So the plasma concentration of ketone bodies is increased. This is called ketonemia. And ketonuria, when the concentration of ketone bodies significantly increase in plasma and they appear in urine also, this is called the ketonuria. So excessive production of ketone bodies and appear in urine mainly, so this condition is called the ketonuria. Acetone in breath. So acetone is excreted by the lungs and produce a characteristic odor in breath. Metabolic acidosis, hyperkalemia, and some is biochemical diagnosis is beta hydroxybutyrate in plasma, acetoacetate in urine, Rothera test. This is the test and diagnosis process for the ketone bodies. And management and treatment: provision of glucose to the tissue. Ketosis is suppressed by restoring adequate level of carbohydrate metabolism. Correction of electrolyte imbalance and acid-base imbalance. Metabolic acidosis is corrected by the bicarbonate administration, and correction of metabolic acidosis also reserve hyperkalemia. Thank you.